when you are revolutionary and you talk the truth, people will come and slap you down. Then you talk the truth again, they lock you in jail. Then when you are very strong and you talk again, they may kill you. They may even burn your house down, like they burnt my house down at home. Now, when they burn my house finish, some friends who are very Africans, they are very afraid of life. Hey, fella, yourself, don't talk truth again. You see, they come and tell you not to say the truth again. Then I tell them and say, they never hear anything at all. Then go hear pansa pansa. Pansa pansa means they will hear more.
The great Hindu empire are the Igbo people of Iron Age and Bronze Age, respectively. They left Eze Ere the Duru under the leadership of IGODO to found IGODOMI-IGODO. Due to the spreading habit, the Igbo Paleolithic and Neolithic language have been made permanently on Earth long before the generation of the Iron Age and Bronze Age Africans. The Europeans, Bini empires of Alpha patterns, and the original Hindu empires of Uto patterns names are as follows: Ogbi, now Ogbi; Aku, now Aku; Ugoli / Ugoli, now Ogol; Obala, now Hofba. The readers should note that the word Obala means king of land or ruler of land. Okala, now Okan; Ululu / Ururu, now Oruhu; Oha / Hoha, now Hoha; Hatulupa, now Heshoza; Sorry Helzua; Haka, now Eka. Finally, Ufu / Ofu, now Ohun. These are my few examples with the facts. The Hindu Empire name for Ikenga, it is Ikegobo. That is the Ikega of the ancient Igbo Bantu Neolithic ancestors. The Bini Empire Igwe festival comes from Haru Oweri festival down to Eze Iri Igbo Haru festival. The colonial Bini Empire 4 days of the week are as follows: Iken, Afon, Orien, Ikwon. The Igbo 4 days of the week are as follows: Afo, Nkwo, Eke, and Ori, or Afo, Nkwo, Eke, and Onye. The readers and students should note that Hindu means to lead, while Umu means children of. The word Umu Ina means children of the father, also means extended family of common ancestors and heritage. Hinduism is the foundation of Okpala / Upala Uku / Oparaku / Uparaku or Upala Uku. The system that was popularized at Indo, now Benin, has succession by the primogeniture from father to first son. The student should understood that the Benin Empire counting system for the word Ego, it is modern Igbo-European word. The original word for the word Ego, it is Ago. The Bangu Ella Igbo Bantu original ancestors, they call it Hago, not Ego. Hago means money, as in Chiga Hago, now Chicago. To the Bantustans, the above revelation make the entire Benin as the member of the Igbo family the most obvious to a modern investigator. It is the tongue which they share with the Warren original ancestors. If one builds his knowledge on to the world, one will never understand the secrets of this earth. Never. What the wise one do today, fools do it in the end.